This video will show you the Circulaire function and its benefits. Regardless of aesthetics, Smeg range cookers offer a variety of different cooking functions. Circulaire is the most versatile fan function. This function allows you to cook on every single shelf position with no cross-transference of flavours or smells. It also allows for even browning. The way this function works is that there's a fan located at the back of the oven. It's got a heating element wrapped around it, and instead of blowing the air out, it actually sucks it in, and it passes that heating element and cleans it at the same time. That clean air is then blown back out into the oven cavity, so you've constantly got clean air circulating throughout the oven. And this allows you to cook on all levels of your oven for the most economical results. In my oven, I've got barbecue chicken drumsticks, I've got roasting vegetables with onion and garlic, and on the top shelf, delicate meringues. Because of the Circulaire function, this allows me to cook all of these dishes together, including a really delicate dessert with some strong flavours. And I know these flavours won't transfer into those meringues. This tall cavity also benefits from Circulaire too. So as discussed, we can cook on every single shelf position with no cross-transference of flavours or smells. So I can cook my entire roast dinner in this cavity with only having to put my oven on once, saving you time and energy. Most Smeg range cookers come with an eco function. Whilst the standard Circulaire function has a fast preheat time, the Eco Circulaire version just takes that little bit longer to heat up whilst also retaining the same benefits of having Circulaire, so you can save energy whilst you're cooking your dinner. The Smeg range cookers offer style and performance. To see how they work, have a look at some of our other videos.